Hello, everyone. I will talk about the micro gamma camera, and I'm Jae from ARALE Lab. ARALE Lab is an advanced radiological sciences, and we were established as the arm of the Korea University in 2016. We made the IO called the prototype called IO, and we tried to receive the investments. Our core technology is the gamma ray imaging. And if we can make it commercial, maybe it should be the smallest, lightest, and most functional the gamma camera. Using our core value, we work with the famous institution and university and medical centers. Our vision is actually the gamma is used in the many sectors, but usually they measure the signal amount of the signal. However, beyond that, we try to give it the high resolution images so that it can be used for the cancer therapy in healthcare, and also the radiation protection in the homeland security. So let me introduce about the gamma ray. It is the shortest and the biggest, largest energy among the wavelengths of the light, which is the 1 to the power 12. And it is used for the medical, the low image is used for the medical imaging, and the middle one is for the radiotherapy, and the large gamma ray is used for the radiation monitoring in the industry, nuclear industry. And mostly used gamma images is SPECT or the gamma camera. As you see here, usually this is used in the medical scene as the big scale machine. But we use a gamma ray so that it can be used in the surgical operation. That's our goal, and let me talk about that more today. Today, I will talk about the gamma camera used for the minimally invasive surgical operation. Usually in the cancer surgery, so many the tissues around the tumor cell is cut out. So after the treatment, there are many side effects. However, if we cut it too small, the cancer can be metastasized. So in order to solve this problem, the new concept of the customized the surgery of the non-invasive surgical operation. So by doing so, they try to secure the quality of life of patients after surgery. So then nowadays we have the Sentinel lymph node biopsy, and the Sentinel lymph is the first lymph which is discovered when the cancer had metastasis. So when we discover the tumor cell, we use the same similar operation before. But when we see the sentinel lymph, we can have the minimal invasive surgery. So the sentinel lymph node biopsy had two types of the method. There was the blue dye method by injecting blue dye into the tumor cell directly so that we can find out the sentinel lymph through the biopsy. Because we used the blue dye, it was clearly visible. However, it has the weak point in the finding out a deeper layer. So in order to increase the penetration, the doctors also use the gamma probe with the blue dye. And the gamma probe is conducting these activities by detecting the gamma ray inside. However, the gamma probe cannot find exactly where the sentinel lymph is located, which is a localization. So in order to solve those kind of problems, recently the fluorescent near-infrared red method is used, so that with the camera they can detect the fluorescent part to make a surgery. The Olympus and the Synergy is developing this device. The biggest reason why we use this kind of a device is to find out the deep sentinel lymph using the high penetration rate of these devices. However, the penetration is not that good as expected. So as you see on the right slide, originally we have to see the parts in the screen, but the doctors could not find out with the fluorescent. The success rate was just 50%. That is the result from our clinical research lab, and the other research lab in other countries also found out these results. So with the fluorescent, there is a high chance of losing the sentinel lymph. So they use the gamma camera altogether with these fluorescent, and those are the trend in the current the medical scene. And the representative product is the Onco Vision, which was made in Spain. Currently, it received approval from the FDA, and it is used in the operation currently. And also, you can see the crystal photonics, which was developed in Germany, and this is also can be used in the non-invasive operation, but it doesn't receive any approval from the FDA, so it cannot use in the operation. Another device is the probe. It is when it used in the robot or the operation, the angle was difficult. So in order to solve this problem, the gamma probe was attached to the drop in the robot and receiving the approval from the FDA recently. And now it is commercialized recently. So this has the gamma probe type. So the dose rate or the signal can be shown in number or sound. However, it doesn't provide any imaging yet. The trend of the devices used in the non-invasive operation is the gamma camera on their tip. And the gamma probe was not reusable. It was a single use so far without the need of the sterilization. So those are the new trend. Single-use gamma probe is the new trend. And the sensor got small, and the cable is thinner so that they can use the gamma probe easily. And the gamma camera technology needs the signal treatment device. So the light sensor and the polymeter and the digital processors advanced a lot, so it got smaller, lighter, and providing higher resolution than before. This is interoperative gamma image 1. And this one covers all those advantages. And we have the 3 times higher resolution, and the signal treatment circuit, and installation is very flexible, so it can be applied to not only to the healthcare industry but also to the homeland security. From the design, electrons and the sensors were very compact. So it is very handy. You can put that in your palm. Compared to Onco Vision, the conventional product, it used a vacuum, but we have the light sensor based on the semiconductor technologies. And lens is a collimator in the gamma camera. Usually it used the pinot collimator, but we have a divergino collimator using the tungsten, so it has a very high performance of the shielding, lead shielding. Now we have a 0.6 milli resolution. So with this device, we are trying to enter into the 4 markets. The 12 billion market size is the gamma probe, and the mobile gamma camera is the 1 trillion market, very big. And another market we can go in is the non-invasive visualization for the MIS. As of 2024, it will be around 3.6 billion, and we can also enter into the industry to the homeland security sector to have the radiation monitoring. And the market size around 35 trillion won, and the CAGR is very high. So we try to go into these 4 markets. So each market has a different product from our side, and the first one is IOG-1. Currently, we have a prototype and preparing for the approval. And when we develop this one, it will be the world best performing the camera, gamma camera. And it can be also used for the robot arm, because we have the high resolution camera, and we can put that into the probe so that we can provide the camera robot arm. So if it is launched, it will be the world first gamma camera used in the robot arm. And another product is the gamma visualization module. So we also have the business model of the OEM of the gamma camera visualization. And this gamma camera can be used in many sectors. And using this camera, the drone can operate the surveillance. So at the late last year, and we installed our camera to the unmanned drone, and we had the pilot project. So we have a very bright future for that too. So when our products are sold in the market, we looked at our clients, potential clients. So our IOG can be used in the head and the neck cancer, which is open surgery. And another dropping gamma camera can be used for the Da Vinci robot surgical device to the medical center, which has the robot, Da Vinci robot in their hospital for their lung cancer or the colorectal cancer or prostate cancer. And the gamma imaging module can be sold to the medical device company, and the micro gamma camera can be sold to the nuclear power industry or homeland security for their logistics. If you look at the market analysis, the non-invasive, minimally invasive surgery market is the U.S. has the biggest market for that. And by application, it can be used in the cancer surgery the most. The European and the North America and the Asia market has the 30% respectively, and it can be used in the military and defense industry. This market is opening up recently, so far the small number of companies were monopolizing this sector. So the Onco Vision had like 100% market share, and the LifePoint Medical, the British company, had a 100% market share so far in the terms of the dropping gamma probe. And the Homeland Security radiation monitoring, there are the company of the Emirian and the Nuvia, but it was the merged last year. So it is also the monopolizing company right now with their product of the iPix and the New Vision. So the U.S. companies are trying to develop and marketing these camera after developing the product recently. Compared to intraoperative gamma camera, we will have price competitiveness. And we developed also the single-use dropping gamma camera. So sensor will be around the $700, and the device of getting the signal and the visualize this sensor will be around the 500. And camera for the homeland security will be much expensive. We had the pastel analysis for our products, and this is the result we got. And it is also SWOT analysis for our technology and our products. We have the very unique technology of visualization of the gamma imaging, but our brand awareness is not big because we are a startup company. So in order to overcome this kind of difficulties, we will continue the partnership with the public organization of Korea and also other institutions. And our camera can go into the homeland security area too, which have the high CAGR. So in this kind of market, we try to launch this kind of product. Open and robot gamma imagers. The open surgery, the camera for the open surgery will be launched in the next year, and the robot surgery product will be the 2023. Our goal is going into the global market. These are the applications for the homeland security market. And currently, we are collaborating with the national institutes and academic institutes. ARALE Lab has the steps for the exit. First, on the initial stage, we try to develop our core value, core technologies. However, from now on, we need to jump up in terms of the business profit. So by 2024, in the 4 markets, we target 33 million in 2026, and for the visualization in MIS will be the 20 million in 2026, and dropping gamma probe will be the 10 million, and energy and homeland security products will be $40 million. That is our goal. So in 2026, we plan IPO for our company. This is our team members. We have the PhD and the MA in the radiation and the visualization. The people on the first row has such kind of degree, and the lower row, those are people who are helping with us for the other areas. So we have the doctors and researchers from the prestigious universities. Once our clients offer the collaborations in many cases. So we have the research institute and the global institutes and the global companies try to have a collaboration with our company. These are the status of our stockholders. We have the various patents for the gamma images. So based on these patents, we developed immuno-oncology therapies in the health care, and we also have the radiation monitoring product for the security industry, so that we can contribute to the health of the patients and the safety of our country. Thank you.